Here I have LENOVO K6, and today I'm going to show you how to check your device's model. So, if you have no idea what the model of this device is, I can tell you that this is the certainly LENOVO K6, but you can see for yourself if you enter settings, then go to the About Phone section, and here you can find your model number. Like it's actually not LENOVO K6, but it's LENOVO K33A48. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.